Well, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. As you guys already have watched in the previous video where I have test ridden a Interceptor 650, and if you haven't watched that video, I've linked it down below in the description. Please have a go through and see why I actually didn't upgrade from a Meteor 350 to the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, which everybody loves, including me. I mean, the engine performance on that bike is a day and night difference as compared to my Meteor 350. Much love to that twin engine, but the very reason that I didn't actually upgrade to that, I will address that issue once again in this video. You guys might notice this is a different Interceptor to the one that I had in the previous video. That one was a brand new bike, whereas this one I got it from the same dealership because I went ahead and got my Meteor 350 service for the second time, the 5,000 kilometer service. Although I hadn't actually reached the 5,000 kilometer mark, but I still went ahead and got it serviced before we actually had a full-fledged summer season. And the guy, the owner of the dealership, he knew I already had test ridden a Interceptor, and guess what, he loaned me another Interceptor for a day while my bike was getting serviced. And this one is in Baker's Express color, beautiful white and red combination on the bike. And I mean, the engine performance on this bike is just beautiful. And the issue that I faced in the previous test ride was the brake pedal was a bit hidden behind the engine while using, and it took some time to actually get used to it, to find the brake pedal. And some of you guys have had that issue as well, which was resonated in the comments section. And I thought I do have this bike for the whole day, might as well take it out for a spin, and I took it back to some nice country roads. And as you can see in this video, I was enjoying it. I was actually loving how this bike performed, both on the city roads and on the backcountry roads. And a few hours later, while I was actually riding this bike, the issue kind of went away. I was enjoying the brake pedal, I was enjoying the engine transmission, and everything just felt like it fell into its place. So, but the only reason I'm not going ahead with the Interceptor 650 as of now is I'm actually waiting for the Super Meteor 650 to be released as well. So what I will do is I will go ahead, test ride a Super Meteor 650 as well, just to make up my mind between the Interceptor and the Super Meteor, and I'll keep you guys posted. So enough of me yapping around, and you guys go ahead and watch the rest of the video and enjoy this beautiful scenery of these farmlands and the beautiful exhaust note of this beautiful bike. Once again, thanks a lot for watching these videos, and if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.